In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can rapidly grow your real estate business by simply having a digital business card. My name is Kate. I'm a Las Vegas realtor here to help you identify and develop your personal brand so that you can confidently market yourself on and offline to grow your real estate business. So if you want to learn how I connect with leads and get them directly into my database, keep watching. Okay, the days of sending a long client intake form are over. So are the days of handing over your beautifully designed, expensive business card to have this lead throw it on the floor of their car at the bottom of their purse. Don't freak out. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have a physical business card because I think that you should. Here are 3 reasons why you must have a digital business card as well, with clickable links ready to go on your phone at all times. Okay, so let's say you're out at the grocery store in line waiting, and of course you start chatting with the gal behind you. Let's call her Sally. You find out that Sally has been thinking about listing her house and she just didn't know of a realtor. So now that she's been enjoying talking to you, she's interested in learning more. She says, "Can I have your card?" You know what, actually, what's your number? I'd be happy to text you my business card right now. It has a link to my listing presentation as well. Reason number 1, this allows you to get that lead's number right away. Rather than handing over your physical business card and hoping that you made a good enough first impression and connection with Sally for her to call you, the other thing that could happen is she could lose the card. So this is a great opportunity for you to capture that phone number right away, putting them into your database and building that connection to retain that new lead and turn them into a client. Say you're at the gas station and you meet Joe. Joe is looking to buy. To Joe, I can totally help with that. I love working with buyers. Joe says,
"Okay, can I have your card?"
And then this is where you would say, "Oh, here, I'll text you my digital business card." So he gives you his number and you text the digital business card. And then you follow up with, "Joe, on my digital business card, you'll see a link to my exclusive MLS client app where you can see all the active listings that are currently in the MLS, and you can heart ones that you're interested in, which then I can see on my side so that when we go to set up showings for these, it makes it very efficient and we're all on the same page." So reason number 2, this gets the lead quickly into your database. By them downloading your MLS client app, they enter their information so you do not have to, and then that goes right into your database. So you can set up a search for them, you can easily see what their favorites are, you can communicate through the app. Reason number 3, credibility and connection. In today's world, ease of use and quick access are so important. Here is an image of what it would look like when it pops up on their phone and they click on it. Through here, they can easily just click to your website, click to your app, click to your social media links. It's going to take them right to your Facebook, right to your Instagram, right to your website, right to your listing presentation. You can link your Google reviews, your buyer's guide, whatever it is that you would like to link, it is right there. So you can just, again, establish that credibility so they can really see everything they need to see about you so they can make an informed decision. I mean, the opportunities are endless. Today, everybody knows a real estate agent. Everybody's cousin, everybody's uncle, everybody's aunt is a real estate agent. So how are you going to stand out? You've got to show your uniqueness, your brand, and you've got to do it right from the beginning. This is how you're going to be successful in this business. If you don't know how to create a digital business card, that's okay. I got you. I will leave a link, Canva template, in the description below so you can just go in, pop in your information and your photos, and start sending this digital business card to your potential clients today. I hope that you found this to be very helpful for you as a new real estate agent or maybe even a seasoned one. Just remember, there's only one you, so make sure you show the world who you are. You will attract the perfect clients for your business, I promise. Stop selling and start connecting. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'd be happy to answer them and connect with you. Thank you so much for being here today and watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have an amazing day.